Good morning, you guys. Baseball is now over. We have been spending Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday between all three of the boys at baseball games. So hallelujah, baseball is over. It was a really fun season for the boys, but I'm glad it's over. So typically in the summer, we go on several, like many RV trips. We have taken one. If you haven't watched it, I'll put it in the description below for you guys. And we are getting ready to go on another one for the 4th of July, which is really exciting. Joel's favorite holiday is the 4th of July. And so today we are prepping for that trip, but we have one major hang up. Joel is out fixing some vandalism. We are not going to name names, but as parents, we are responsible in teaching and helping our children fix their mistakes. So if you want to find more on the situation, Joel is doing a today's task on fixing what has been vandalized. And so I'll put that in the description below. Making mistakes as a kid does not make you a bad kid. It makes you a typical kid. The difference is how you handle it and how you take care of it. I am not an expert. I get mad when I shouldn't get mad. Joel, however, is really fabulous at being sensitive to boy, what's the word? Boy mischief. I don't know, you get it though. Because he was quite the mischievous child himself, he's taking the opportunity to teach instead of, you know, just be really upset. So the boys, the group of them, are going to learn how to fix what they have broken. So while Joel is doing that, I'm going to get things picked up around here, and I'm going to try and start packing so that we can be ready to go. I have been working with Olivia on teaching her how to really clean a bathroom, and not just like, oh, my kid kind of wiped up the bathroom. Like, we are really teaching her how to clean a bathroom.
So I have my music because I'm trying to like just
Hey Google, pause. We don't want to be unmonetized, do we?
Yeah, we don't want that.
Okay. So I'm going to take the kids into town, and you're going to do this bathroom, and then you'll do mine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're all working together. Good job.
Yep.
And you guys, we have a new dryer, so I'm getting all the laundry done so we can have the clothes to pack. We bought this off of KSL for super cheap, and I was helping Joel get it out of the truck, and I was like, I can help you, it's fine, like, I'm strong, I can do it. We dropped it. We dropped it. So that was a nightmare, but it is working good enough. It's working good enough. It's working good enough. And I can tell you, I am so thankful to have a dryer that works good enough, literally. We have some major plans for the 4th of July, which requires us to come to the country store.
And we're gonna go.
These orange boots are so cute. Those are really cute. Are those too big? Okay. We have tried on many different things in this store, and I cannot wait for you to see what we picked out. I cannot wait for you to see the boys in their getup and what we're planning on doing, and it's gonna be very exciting. If your heart doesn't skip a beat by seeing this onesie, a pearl snap ruffle leg onesie, I don't know what kind of human you are. Sitting at a stoplight, and I was thinking about what I was vlogging. Did I finish my thought? This is our last RV trip for the summer because we're going to be working on our house the rest of the summer, so we don't have any other trips planned. So I don't know if I said that or not. In case I didn't. I stopped in at the chiropractor's to have my neck adjusted before I go. And just as an update, I have been going to the chiropractor once a week since I initially went. And every time he's like, oh man, you're so tight, you're so out of alignment. And I feel like I'm getting better in between, but like I went 2 weeks in between this appointment instead of 1 week, and I could really tell. And then I'm packing life jackets because we are going to be next to the Snake River where the kids will be able to jump in. I got these when Olivia was tiny. Olivia used to be in these, and they have lasted for so long. Like, I noticed this little tear in this one, and I just thought, I cannot believe how long these have lasted. I will link them in the description because I love these so much more than like these, because they stay out of the way. They just go across the chest and go over the arms, and you'd think that maybe they weren't very strong or something. They are the strongest, best life jacket, and they keep the kids from like falling forward. I'll put a link for those in the description. You guys know the routine. You line up the backpacks, and then you lay out the days. So I know what everyone is wearing each day, and that way if I'm waiting for things in the laundry, which I am, like, these are wet and they're laying dry, which is why they're not folded. Same with these up here.
Got my hoodie.
Okay, good, thank you. Put that with a pile of hoodies.
So we have Lincoln's mitt. Oh.
Yes.
Boston's
yes.
mitt. Where's Cody's? Cody's mitt.
The one you
My
use.
mitt. Yeah, pretty much Dad's, but I use.
And then Dad's new mitt. Did you guys see our Father's Day vlog? You have to go watch it. I'll link it below for you. Excuse me, Olivia. What is so funny? I'm trying to do something nice for Dad and pick out his favorite snack. Olivia, I think what yeah, all I said was, okay, Dad loves ding dongs. And Olivia thought that was just hilarious. I thought, you know, oh my gosh, you guys, they have Mrs. Freshly's. All right, you don't see these. Sometimes these are hard to find on the shelves. I am telling you, buy Mrs. Freshly's. It's these two that are tried and true. If you guys try them at home, because I recommended them, you have to tag me in a story on Instagram so I can see. Hello, sweetie. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what 200 and something dollars of groceries look like. And this was perfect timing because Joel just brought this home, and so instead of taking the groceries into the house and then into the RV, I'm just going to take them straight from the Suburban into the RV. But you know, rule of thumb though, I've got to go make sure that it's clean before I start bringing my stuff in. Well, I've got everything packed in here. I've got all the vlogs uploaded for when we're gone. I'm thinking that everything is in the RV that we need. I'm hoping that it is. And we'll just do last minute things in the morning, yeah? Just closing up for the night. It is 10 p.m. and Joel's laying out his clothes to work out.
Showing people my underwear.
I wish they were
underwear when you work out.
I wish they were that exciting. Okay, you guys stay tuned for our fun RV trip that we've got planned tomorrow, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
Hi guys.